Another groundbreaking technology has emerged from China, the world's leading manufacturing nation. Known for their industrious spirit and capability to excel across various industries, China has taken a bold step into the automobile sector. Xiaomi, a top technology manufacturer famous for producing smartphones, computers, electronics, and home appliances, has made a surprising move from small-scale technology to the larger automotive industry. Xiaomi recently announced its ambitious entry into the auto industry, aiming to compete with established giants like Porsche, Tesla, and Maserati. The company's first major achievement is the launch of the Xiaomi SU7 battery electric vehicle. Remarkably, Xiaomi garnered over 50,000 orders within just 27 minutes of the SU7's debut. This figure quickly surged with over 75,000 orders recorded within the first month. This rapid increase in demand necessitated the introduction of innovative manufacturing technologies to meet delivery commitments. Xiaomi's new technology aims to ensure they can fulfill their goal of delivering 100,000 units of the Xiaomi SU7 within the year. This strategic move highlights Xiaomi's capability to scale operations and meet market demands efficiently, reinforcing its competitive stance in the automotive industry. With the introduction of its new strategy, Xiaomi achieved an impressive milestone by producing 10,000 SU7 EVs within just 32 days of the vehicle's official launch. This leaves 90,000 more cars to be produced to meet their target of 100,000 orders by the year's end. Already 5,781 Xiaomi SU7s have been delivered in China, with plans for market expansion still in progress. Xiaomi is confident in delivering another 10,000 SU7s by June, positioning itself for tough competition with established manufacturers like Tesla. Tesla, renowned for its giga casting technology, uses machines to inject molten metal into molds at high temperatures, creating large aluminum parts for their vehicle frameworks. Xiaomi is innovating by combining two production methods, Tesla's giga casting and stamping, to produce the Xiaomi SU7. Xiaomi claims to be the only local car manufacturer utilizing both self-developed die-cast alloy materials and a self-developed large die-casting equipment cluster system. This dual approach aims to enhance production efficiency and meet high demand. Tesla pioneered large-scale die casting, combining multiple parts into a single, larger component. This process reduces factory space, enhances car safety by increasing rigidity, and lightens the car, improving its range. Following Tesla's example, Chinese manufacturers like XPeng and NIO adopted this technology. Xiaomi's system, developed with Haitian, includes a machine named 9100T, a clamping force indicated by its name, occupying an area roughly the size of 2 basketball courts. This machine revolutionizes the production of the rear floor assembly for the Xiaomi SU7. Previously requiring 72 separate parts to be stamped and welded, it can now be created as a single part in just 100 seconds. This innovation reduces welding points by 840 and cuts production time by 45%. For the SU7, this means a 17% reduction in weight and a 2 decibels decrease in road noise. Additionally, the new integrated floor panel has a life expectancy of over 2 million kilometers, more than 10 times that of traditional panels. Xiaomi has addressed a major criticism of such manufacturing: the expense of replacing damaged parts. They have implemented a 3-stage anti-collision design, so at a low-medium speed collision, only the anti-collision beam and crumple zone need replacement. The factory, with high automation, can produce 40 cars an hour or one every 76 seconds, featuring over 700 robots and 181 autonomous mobile robot A&R units for delivering stamped parts. Each A&R uses LiDAR for navigation. Machines also handle quality inspection with the XI system, achieving 99.9% accuracy in defect detection. A common criticism of such manufacturing methods is the high cost of replacing parts if they are damaged. Following the launch of the electric sports saloon, the company secured 88,063 pre-orders for the vehicle before customers had the chance to test drive it. According to one buyer's experience, he obtained his driver's license 2 years ago. During the test drive, he was only allowed to ride in the back seat of the Xiaomi SU7, rather than taking control of the steering wheel as usual. A representative from Xiaomi explained that this decision stemmed from recent crashes involving the Xiaomi SU7. The automaker preferred individuals with more years of driving experience to handle the powerful electric car. For those who were able to test drive the Xiaomi SU7, their experiences confirmed what had been circulating in the media in recent weeks. One test driver mentioned expecting a compact car akin to the Porsche Taycan. However, upon experiencing the SU7 driving around the resort, they were surprised to find it larger than anticipated. The Xiaomi SU7 indeed presents itself as a sleek and sporty vehicle, boasting dimensions of 196.7 inches in length, 77.3 inches in width, and 57.3 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 118.1 inches. Its design echoes elements of the Mazda RX-7 FD, particularly noticeable in its long bonnet. Unlike some newer electric vehicles that feature hidden door handles, the SU7 opts for semi-concealed handles with concealed buttons for door access. The side profile bears resemblance to the Porsche Taycan, but with slightly smaller and less rounded fenders. At the rear, the car showcases a continuous taillight design and an electronic spoiler. The paint finish exhibits a high level of polish even under indoor lighting conditions such as parking lots. The specific model under discussion is the top-trim Xiaomi SU7 Max Founders Edition, the sole one in Macau, priced at $41,600. Local buyers should anticipate additional costs beyond this base price. Upon entering the Xiaomi SU7, the sporty ambience becomes immediately evident, a distinguishing feature among B-class sedans within this price bracket. The cockpit impresses with its sophisticated blend of Nappa leather, suede, and soft touch materials. The front seats, resembling sporty bucket seats, are upholstered in Nappa leather, offering a snug embrace that heightens the driving experience. The seating position sits low, providing exceptional visibility for the driver. Hidden under the center console for emergencies is a torch, a thoughtful addition to the Xiaomi SU7's array of features. The vehicle boasts a substantial 16.1-inch center screen with 3K resolution, operable through voice commands. Powering this screen is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 system on chip with HyperOS software. For Xiaomi smartphone users, the phone can seamlessly mirror onto the screen, integrating it into the vehicle's ecosystem and enhancing convenience by allowing direct access to phone functions from the car's display. Rear passengers will find ample space in the Xiaomi SU7, with generous headroom and knee space. However, the rear seat's lowered edge point might make sitting upright less comfortable. Rear amenities include 2 air vents, USB ports, and a cooler under the air vents capable of holding 6 cans of soft drinks. Additionally, SU7 boasts a spacious frunk. Upon starting the car, the LCD panel up above the steering wheel rotates, indicating readiness and displaying the selected driving mode. Xiaomi has also included a beginner mode for first-time drivers, accessible via a toggle at the lower right of the steering wheel. The test car, Xiaomi SU7 Max, features dual motors delivering 664 horsepower and 838 Nm of torque, resulting in impressive acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.78 seconds, achieving a top speed of 265 kilometers per hour. Notably, the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency is marked by a drag coefficient of only 0.195 C. Powered by a 101 kWh battery from CATL, the SU7 Max offers a driving range of 497 miles under the CLTC cycle. It supports 800-volt fast charging, enabling the battery charge from 20% to 80% in around 30 minutes using a high-power DC charger. This blend of performance and efficiency sets the Xiaomi SU7 Max apart in its class. Despite the impressive features of the Xiaomi SU7, challenges have been reported by some owners. For instance, a man who owned a sky blue SU7 recorded a video of the car breaking down after just 24 miles. While assured the vehicle would be sent back to the factory for complete restoration instead of leaving it at the dealership, the situation escalated when the owner requested a brand new car as a replacement. However, due to allocation constraints where cars produced are assigned to other buyers, obtaining a new replacement proved impossible. Reports suggest Xiaomi is endeavoring to provide a complete refund for the faulty SU7 and any associated expenses.